This is a song called Réaltaí. Do you know what the word Réaltaí means? It's the Irish word for stars. If you want to join in, it's very simple. When I sing the word Réaltaí, you repeat it back to me, like this. Réaltaí, Réaltaí. Beautiful. Will we try one more time to practice? Okay. Réaltaí, Réaltaí. You got it. Ready? Réaltaí, Réaltaí. Thuas sa Spéir. Stars are shining way up there. Réaltaí, Réaltaí. Eglon shining down on me and you. Lovely. Slán. Slán.